7 little-known facts about parrots. 1. Parrots eat with their feet. Parrots use their feet like hands to hold food and bring it to their mouths. They can even be left-footed or right-footed. 2. They recognize their own names. Some parrot species, like African greys, can learn the names given to them and understand when they're being referred to. 3. They live surprisingly long lives. While smaller parrots live 15 to 20 years, larger species, like macaws or cockatoos, can reach 60 to 80 years. Some even surpass 100 factorial. 4. Their feathers might be fake red. Some parrots don't have true red pigment in their feathers. Instead, yellow pigments reflect light in a way that makes them appear red. 5. They can recognize themselves in mirrors. Parrots are among the rare animals, like chimpanzees and dolphins, that understand their reflection is their own. 6. They can taste the wind. Parrots have a special organ on their tongues, the vomeronasal organ, that detects chemical changes in the air. This may explain their behavior shifts before storms. 7. They mourn their losses. When a mate dies, some parrots, especially lovebirds, may grieve, falling silent, refusing to eat, or showing signs of depression.